Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix green screen issue on iPhone in iOS 17. So guys, if you are facing a green screen issue on your iPhone devices running iOS 17, there can be several reasons. So guys, don't worry, in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix this issue. So guys, first of all you have to do is restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can solve these type of issues. To restart your iPhone, you have to first of all open your settings, then tap on your general, scroll down and then tap on shut on your iPhone, and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. So guys, after restarting, then you have to do is check for updates. Ensure that your iOS 17 is up to date. Sometimes these issues are addressed in software updates. So you have to open your software update and check if there is any available update for your iPhone. If there is like this, then you have to do is simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS 17. Like I am having an update of iOS 17.1.1. So all you have to do is simply tap on update and update it now, or simply update tonight and update on night. So guys, if this also doesn't work, then you have to do is app specific issue. If the green screen issue is happening in a specific issue, try updating or installing the app to address the issue. So guys, after trying these and you're still facing the issue and again and you're still facing the green screen issue on your iPhone running iOS 17 version, then you have to do is reset your settings. So guys, to do this you have to open your settings, tap on your general, scroll down and then tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset. Tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.